Color is a very important element in fashion designing. When it comes to fabric, it plays a really important role. If you notice, when you walk into a store, a clothing store, and you gravitate towards a clothing rack, and there's one item in particular that draws your attention, it's usually the color. The color will attract your attention, and color can be applied to fabrics in different methods. I'm going to show you two different fabrics here. One is this woven fabric, and when you look at the right side and the wrong side, it almost looks the same. You really can't tell what is the right side and the wrong side. And that's because this fabric is woven with different color yarns. Each yarn has its own color. So it's hard to differentiate between the right side and the wrong side. Now, this one instead, if you look at this fabric, if you look at the other side, look at this. You can obviously tell the difference between the right side and the wrong side. Why? Because this was printed onto the fabric. This pattern, these green and red stripes, were printed onto gray goods, whereas this was woven directly into the fabric itself using different color yarns. Now, when it comes to printing, there are different ways to print on fabrics. Nowadays we all wear t-shirts, and you've seen the t-shirt that has a logo or a design. That design was printed onto the t-shirt using screen printing or silk screening. That's one method of printing onto fabric. There is sublimation, there is heat transfer, digital printing, and so on. The right side of the fabric is known as the face of the fabric. The right side is the face of the fabric, and the wrong side is just the wrong side. Okay, back to color. Start paying attention at all the different shades of a particular color. Say, for example, lipstick. If you were buying red lipstick, look how many shades of red or pink are available, right? Color has properties such as hue, saturation, brightness, temperature. So you have to get specific. Start paying attention at all different shades of any particular color. It doesn't really matter what color. If it's red, yellow, pink, purple, gray, right? Look at these shades of gray right here that I found, right? Look, it goes from very light to very dark and into black almost. So there are endless possibilities, and they change every season. Some are very muted, some are very pastel. So start paying attention at color. Color is really important in fashion designing, but particularly in the context of fabrics.